Hi loom lovers, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this hook only bracelet. I call it the Chloe bracelet, named after my sister. It's a double-sided bracelet, so I recommend using a double-ended hook like the Loomy Loom hook, available on the Rainbow Loom web store. It's like $3. You're going to need 3 colors, is what I recommend. This is like mostly a beginner level design, but this gold part is kind of tricky. So you're going to need 1 color for this black connecting band. I'm using this medieval neon green. You're going to need 1 color for these white bands. I'm using this olive green. And the 1 color for the gold parts, I'm using this pink over here. Also, as you can see, I've kind of changed positions. I used to be sitting on that side of the bed where that chair is. Not side of the bed, the side of my desk. But now I'm sitting over here by my bed, on my bed. So, yeah, let's just get into it. I do recommend having a C-clip ready to clip your cap band. So you're going to take 1 connecting band. I'm using the green. And then you're going to twist it like that. So you have 2 loops on your hook. Let me show you that again. I'm going to try and make this as beginner friendly as possible. So you have this band on your hook. As you can see, it's just like a big loop. You're going to twist it so that it's like an 8 shape, and then you're going to stick it into here. So if you look up here, it looks kind of like an infinity sign or an 8. And from here it looks like that. You're going to grab your clip, stretch these bands out, and then clip both sides. I'm doing the ends a little different than I did in this bracelet, just so it looks a little neater. So now you're going to grab another green band, connecting band, and then just pull it through everything. Now you're going to grab what you're using for these white bands. I'm using this olive green. You're going to pull it through just the first band on your hook and then close. Now here comes the trickier part. You're going to grab whatever band you want for the gold in this bracelet. I'm using this pink. You're going to put it on your hook, pull it through these first 2 bands like that. I recommend like sliding it down and putting your thumb right there. Then you're going to pick them back up like that, so you have them back on your hook. But before you close, you're going to get this pink band off of your hook. I recommend kind of like pulling these like that and then taking it off like that. Or let me undo that so that I can show you another way. I just find that way a lot easier to do. Oops. Okay, let me just do that again. But there is another way, so I'll show you that other way. So you pull it through the first 2, pick up that, and then you can grab this pink band right here. You can grab it with like your fingernail. It's kind of hard to do. Okay. Well, this is very hard to do on camera. I don't understand why. But it's extremely hard to do on camera. Sorry about this. So you pull it on there. You do that. Then you grab yeah, I messed up again. Well, I'm just not going to show you the other way. I'm sorry, guys. So, just do that. If you watch some of Forrest Hook's designs, like this one, I forgot what this one's called. He shows you how to do like this part better because it's similar to that, what we just did. Okay. So now we're going to flip it. We're going to slide this down our hook and turn it around. Now we're going to grab another olive green band. Going to pull it through just the first one, close, and then we're going to pull a pink band through both green loops, put the end back on, and then get that pink band off, and then close. Then you're going to grab one more connecting band and bring it through everything on your hook. So you just finished your first section. So something happened to mine. I do not know what happened, but it ended up wrong. So I'm just going to keep doing the bracelet because I don't really care. So you're going to pull another olive green band through just the first one. And now you're going to pull a pink band through the first two. Pick up both of them, slide the pink band off, and then close. So this is more of an advanced tutorial. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's just so hard to show this on camera. So pull it through that. Oh, wrong color. Pull it through the first two, pick them both back up. Okay. Okay, and now we're going to pull a connecting band through everything. And then I'm going to do this one more time with you, and then I'm going to show you how to close it. So you're going to pull a white band or olive green band through just the first one. Okay, I'm going to try and show this to you super closely one more time. Pull it through those first two green bands. Then you're going to hold that, put those on. Okay. Trying this again. So you're going to kind of push this pink band off. Oh, I did it. Okay. There we go. Now you're going to slide it back down. Now you're going to pull an olive green band through. Pull the pink band through. Okay. Oops. Okay, trying this again. Why is it twisted? Okay. Just gonna take you off. I'm gonna try this one more time. Pull it through those first two. Put the end back on. And then you're going to push this pink band off of your hook and then close. Okay, that's the last time I'm doing that. And then when you're ready to finish your bracelet, you're going to take one more green band, connecting band, pull it through everything on your hook, and you can clip this one, or you can pull one more green band through, and then clip that one. Like this. And then you would take this off. And then clip it. This is only big enough for a ring. So I guess I'm just making it a ring. Okay, that works. Doesn't really look that good, but whatever. I hope you liked my tutorial on how to make the Chloe bracelet. It's upside down again. If you make it, make sure to tag me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.